Hello and welcome to the section 4 of the course VyOS brand IoT Gateway Pen Testing. Now in this section we are going to take a look at various points. First of all, we are going to learn about how to set up VyOS router or gateway inside your virtual machine, then how to start and set up the services, then how to set up the pen testing lab, and then how we can tag on the router and can take access of it. So let's start with the setup of VyOS brand gateway in network. So in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, how to download VyOS ISO file, and then how we can set up VyOS gateway inside our virtual machine that we are going to learn here. So what we need to do here, first of all, we need to download the VyOS ISO file. So you can open the browser of your system, and then I'm going to show you that how you can download. So now guys, I've started the browser of my main operating system, and in your browser on Google you can type download VyOS and hit enter. So here it is. So this is VyOS, open source Linux based network OS. So you can see the download page here, download ISO file. So click here and here it is. So you can see here that these all are the files available and we need to download the ISO file. So we are going to use the second one, VyOS 1.1.8 amd64.iso, which is around 230 MB file. So you can click here and you can download this file inside your system, which is ISO file. So click save file and click OK. And now it is going to download inside your system. So you just need to wait here. So guys, I have downloaded the VyOS from the official website. Here is the ISO file, right? Now it's time to run this VyOS ISO file inside your virtual machine or Vmware workstation, and let's see how we can run it. So I'm here at Vmware workstation, and let's see that how we can create a new virtual machine. So you can click on file, you can click on new virtual machine, you can select recommended, click next. You need to browse it, so click browse. Here is the VyOS, so click open, right? We have browsed it. Now you can click next. You can type the name here, so the name is VyOS. Click next. Okay, because the path is already exists, so I need to change the path. For example, let me take VyOS 5. Click next. 20 GB is enough. Select store virtual disk as a single file. Hit next. Customize hardware. You can change it to bridge and click close and click finish. Now it is going to run inside your virtual machine. Here it is, right? So now you can enter. Now it is trying to run inside your virtual machine. So you just need to wait here, and here it is. So you can see here that it is showing you the VyOS login page, right? Basically VyOS login terminal. Inside that you need to type the username and the password. So the username is VyOS, so you can type here VyOS, hit enter, and password is also VyOS, so VyOS is the password. Hit enter, and now you can see that we have successfully started VyOS inside Vmware workstation. Alright, so that's how you can download and install this virtual router or gateway inside your Vmware workstation, right? And the username and the password is VyOS, right? And by typing username and password, you can simply log in inside. So this is all about the setup of VyOS inside your Vmware workstation. Now you can see here that I'm not able to see the cursor of my mouse. You can see here, right? I can't see. So if you want to come out of VyOS, you can type Ctrl Alt of your keyboard and you can see the cursor, right? If you want to write something, then you can click inside and you can write something, right? So Ctrl Alt to come out. So guys, if we talk about the setup on Vmware workstation, we have Kali Linux operating system, which will work as an attacker machine, and router or gateway means the VyOS OS which we have installed in Vmware. So that will work as a victim machine, right? And the both are in the same network. Alright, so this is the setup.